Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me the all-new Ferrari 488 GTB. So this one is the next Ferrari after the LaFerrari, which is number 62. So this one is 64, and replacing the Porsche Boxster, I should think. And right here we can see new 2018, the Ferrari logo down here, and just 488 GTB. For example, on other cars, such as this Lotus 311, they put Lotus up here, even though the Lotus badge is right here. But the Ferrari badge is down here, and, they just put 488 GTB, so no idea why, because I guess they want the name to be really short, and the box looks a bit cleaner, I guess. But, yeah, also there is no Japanese version of the name, because I guess 488 GTB is the same in Japanese. So anyway, onto the other side, we now have 3 new cars each month right here, printed on the back. And yeah, it's 2018 stuff. So going on to the car inside. Oh yes, this one is really, really cool. And, well, yeah, what a beautiful car this is. So, well, comparing it to the LaFerrari, I don't actually have it on this table right now, so comparison video another time. But anyway, just taking a look at the car itself, it's really, really beautiful. Well, unsurprisingly, because, Ferrari's licensing contract says that they must agree with whatever Tomica makes. So obviously has to be the most beautiful thing they make, which is quite obvious. And underneath we have the product under the license of Ferrari, because yeah, they can't like mold it into the base plate for some reason, because Ferrari just won't allow them to do it. And 1:62 scale, 2018 Takara Tomy. And as you do notice, there is no name of this car on the base, so just take note it's a 48 GDB. And anyway, starting off with the review proper, we have the front bumper right here in red with your front grills and your front end diffuser. And we have the Ferrari logo right there, clear-cut yellow. And then we have our signature air vents on the 488, which are beautifully curved and actually feel quite satisfying to touch. So yeah, really, really good details. And for the lights, we have the very realistic light style with the mini bulbs at the back and the longish front right here. And moving on to the side profile right here at the front, we can see it's really, really accurate from how it curves downwards and to the front. So over here we have the racing style wheel, which is again very, very boring. Don't know why Ferrari still allowed that, but hey, can't complain. So anyway, it's the chrome silver. And on the side, as always for Ferraris, we have another Ferrari logo right there. And then moving on a little bit, we have the side air vent. So it starts from halfway through the door and continues all the way up in a sleek curve all the way to the back, where another diffuser divides into 2 and goes past the engine bay. So pretty neat, pretty nicely detailed right there, all like very smoothly painted and no paint defects it seems. And the windows also really nice shape to them, really accurate from the actual car. And the engine bay right here, beautifully detailed with all, well, shows all the engine in there. Don't know if you can see because of the reflection. There we go, right there. Yep. And then Ferrari, if it will focus, please focus, Ferrari right here. And then another Ferrari logo at the back. So we have our beautiful, nice, well, curving body right here. And then we have our rear lights. Again, the plastic inserts, not tampos, and then a space for the rear number plate. So the rear of this car looks surprisingly like the 458 Italia, so maybe they may make the 458 Italia sometime soon. It looks pretty much similar, but just a little bit different. So yeah, we have the rear exhaust pipes and then our huge rear diffuser under here. So no racing light, not like the LaFerrari. So a bit less detailed at the back, I would say. And for the roof, we have our, normal roof right here. No detailing whatsoever, just our normal roof. So yeah, I guess this is pretty much it for the Ferrari 488 GTB right here. The, looks of it as well as a review. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.